Hi, my name is David Sandoval, and I'm a student from Patriot High School in Hoopa Valley, California. And now, let me tell you the best buck you could get for each day. So, if you have a 30-day thing, and your best inheritance is option one, if it's a 30-day, because you get 12,003,075,000 dollars. And you get that by finding the term right here. You use the formula and you get the term. And you also get the rate of change first. And which is 25,000, which you plug in here. You use the 30 day as the N, and you get all of this. You get 7,075,000. And then you plug that in right here, plus the 50,000 from A1, which would be 50,000 because it's the first day. And then you times that by 15 because you use N, and then you divide it by 2, and then you get 15. Then times it by the sum of this, and you get 82,500. And then you get all of this. And as we see over here, we have a rate of change of 2 because 0.1 goes to 0.2, and then 0.4, which is being doubled. And you can see it right here, what we did. We got A2 divided by A1, which got us 2. And you can see right here, this is the term for the 30th day. This is how much we get on that day alone. But this is the sum. You don't really need this to find the sum. All you need is the rate of change and the days. So it'd be 0.01 times 1 minus 2 to the power of 30. And that would get you 10,737,418.23 cents, which is, of course, 101,037,581.75 dollars, 77 point dollars less. I think I said that right. It's a big number. And then for the 31 days, it switches. So the geometric would be better for this one. And of course, the same formula as this one, 0.1, 30. You have N, which is 31 minus 1. You get 30. Boom, boom. You get 10,737,418.24 dollars. But you don't really need that, again, for the sum. 0.01, and you get 1 minus 2 to the power of 31 times all that together, and you get, and then divided by -1, you get 21,474,836.42 dollars. And I don't think I said it, but you divide it by -1 because 1 minus 2, which is the N, so it's 1 minus N, you get -1, so you divide it by -1. And in the arithmetic, hope I'm saying that right, you get 50,000, 25,000, and then N minus 1 to find the term, which is 750,000 plus 50,000, which gets you 800,000. Then you plug 800,000 with this, plus it with A1, which is, of course, 50,000, divided by the N, which is 31 in this case, 31 divided by 2, then you get 15.5, times it by the product of this, and you get 13,175,000. And that has a difference of 8,020,836.47 dollars of difference. So the 31 days goes to the geometric, and the arithmetic goes to the 30 days. And that's the one you should choose if you get this option. I would love to get this option. Well, bye-bye now, and it's a pleasure to meet you. Oh yeah, bye.